Hi, let me show you how to delete stickers on iPhone 16e. So let's start by opening Photos app and create a sticker. For example, this one from Sabrina Carpenter. For that, we need to press this picture till we can see this list of options on the top. So just click Add Sticker and you should see it right here. You can also tap to add effect and immediately delete it from here. Now, to delete the sticker with the help of another way, you can trigger your keyboard. I'm gonna do this by going in Messages app and simply tap emoji icon on the bottom, then swipe right to see this list of your stickers. Press and hold one you wanna delete, tap arrow and choose to delete. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.